Creating a new Contract Advantage contract record is easy. I will show you how. This is the main menu. Creating a new contract record is done from the contract selection screen. This can be accessed two ways, either by clicking on Contracts on the main menu or by clicking on Contracts, Contract Selection on the top menu bar. The contract selection screen opens. This is where you would be working most of the time. It is feature-packed. You will be able to search on over 400 fields, individually or in combination. You will be able to do full text searches on any attached documents. And you will be able to run any of the over 120 reports that are available on this menu. For the purposes of this walkthrough, we will simply concentrate on the left side of the contract selection screen, and we will click on the New Contract button to create a new contract record. The Create New Contract window opens. This window has all the fields required to generate a new contract record. The mandatory fields are identified by these red asterisks that you see on the left side of the fields. The drop-downs are menus populated by authorized personnel at your organization, and they contain items that are relevant to the way you do business. Once you have entered all the mandatory fields, you simply save, and the new contract record opens. For the purposes of this walkthrough, I'm going to load a pre-filled template. When I click on Load from Template, the menu populates with the templates available for me to select from. A pre-filled template will likely have lots of information already entered for you because it's typical of that type of an agreement. It may even have the contract language in it. Revenue expense indicates whether you are buying or selling, but in this case it's a non-disclosure, so there is no money involved, so we will call it Other. We will give our contract a name. GMS recommends giving it the name of the contracting party, followed by the type of agreement, and possibly followed by a date or a year. This is a regular contract, meaning it's not a master that dictates terms and conditions of other agreements or a subcontract that relies on other agreements for its terms. So we will keep regular selected. The our side entity has been pre-selected. You can change that if need be. All the our side entities will appear on this drop-down. The responsible person at that entity has been pre-selected for you. Activate the drop-down to select the contracting party, in this case Abraham and Brazil. The responsible person at that company has been pre-selected for you. All the information has been entered. We simply have to save this contract and the contract record will open. This is the contract summary page for the record we are creating. You can navigate the different pages by clicking on them on the left side of the screen. All the contract summary information is located on the right side of the screen. Notice that it's all been filled in for you based on how the template was created. Simply scroll down to the dates and enter your dates as appropriate in each of the fields. Once you have completed entering your dates, scroll down to the signatory area. Notice that the our side signatory has been pre-selected. Select your contracting party signatory by clicking on the Select button. Only Charles Brazil is available for selection, so simply save and close. If we will be working with contracting party contract paper, we would go directly to the document repository, to attach that document to this record. Because we are working with a pre-filled template, we are using our paper. So we will go to the clauses area where you will see that the contract language has already been placed there for you with field codes, merge codes, so that the language will be merged with the data we just entered to create a contract document. Simply click on Generate Contract Document, and when the document generation setup opens, click on Generate Document. Once you have granted security permission to open, it will launch Word, and your document is there. It is that easy. Contact us today to see all our products in action. We will schedule a demonstration at a convenient time for you. Our contact information is at the bottom of this screen to make it easy for you. We look forward to hearing from you.